Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Roslyn Bruno Mamawag. I am 36 years old, single parent. I am a Roman Catholic. I live in Namukayan, Santo Niño, Cagayan. I have two children, one boy and one girl. My father's name is Alfredo Bruno and my mother's name is Marcita Bruno. I have two brothers and two sisters. I am the fourth in the family. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for over 4 years and 9 months, serving only one family. When I just arrived in Saudi Arabia, there were 8 people in the family, Madam and Sir, and the 6 children. One among the kids are abnormal. All of them are grown up. So I prepare the food, clothes, shoes, and serve the in-laws. And I also taking care the one girl 10 years old abnormal. I do cook in Saudi Arabia. I clean a big house. I work together with another person, a driver from Pakistan. But he is not helping me inside the house. He's just a taking care of the car driving for the family. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my family. Mom, sir, I am hardworking, respectful, patient to the children. I want to serve your family. And I'm willing to learn from you, Mom, how to cook your food. Please, Mom, choose me as your helper. Thank you, and I hope you like me. Thank you, and have a good day.